In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create producer tags for free. Top tools. Before we touch any software, decide the style of tag you want. Think about the vibe of your beats and your brand. Keep it short and punchy, 2 to 4 words works great, or go with a simple signature phrase or name. You can make it energetic and hype, or go atmospheric with a whisper style delivery. Some producers even stack a voice tag with a subtle sound effect for a double tag. Example ideas include prod by your name, you already know, certified heat, or next up. Say them out loud and pick the one that feels natural every time. Now let's generate the voice for free with AI. Start with 11 labs on the free tier. Type your phrase, choose a voice you like, then preview and tweak the speed and pitch until it sits right. You can also adjust emotion and speaking style to dial in more presence or smoothness. When you're happy, download the MP3 or Wavy. Next, try UberDuck, also on a free tier. Enter your tagline, pick a voice style. This is a great place to test character voices with more attitude. Generate the audio and download it. If you want something super clean and simple, sites like TTS MP3 or other free text-to-speech tools get it done fast. Choose a male or female voice, enter your phrase, generate, download, and then audition it inside your DAW to make sure it cuts through. To make the tag truly yours, add a few effects in your DAW, whether that's FL Studio, Ableton, Logic, or Cakewalk. Nudge the pitch slightly to make it stand out. Use EQ to cut low frequencies around 100 to 150 Hz so it stays clear over your mix. Add a little reverb for space and a short slapback delay for bounce. A touch of tape saturation or light distortion brings warmth and grit. Finally, duck the tag under the kick with sidechain compression so it hits without fighting the drums. If you want extra impact, layer simple sound design. A quick whoosh before or after the tag, a tight impact hit, a reverse cymbal to lead in, or even a low 808 boom can make it memorable. You can craft these by hand or experiment with AI sound generators. When you're ready to use it everywhere, export and label it properly. Choose Wave at 24-bit for best quality and name it something clear like tag, your name, style.wavefu. Save it in a dedicated producer tags folder so you can drag it straight into any session. That's it. Clean, consistent, and ready to brand every beat you make.